Load the clip with the ammo, in the booth with the ammo. That nice guy Ken shit dead, flip the switch like Rambo. Now I'm aiming at your man though. Say that was your best friend though. 1,000 ways to die, pick one, heavy gas like petrol. I'm going straight for the head though. 2 shots that'll make a fucking mess ho. 2 nuts right on your fucking chest ho. Stick dick right in between your breasts ho. Couple pumps then I'm coming on your neck ho. Always thought that was pointless shit. Don't give a shit about a bitch. She sucking dick for the rent. Then wanna lay next to you and smile. Wanna kiss your lips, you dirty bitch. Check your shit. Ooh, that pussy so reckless. Get a ticket just for testing it. I can see it in your face every time you lie. Why I cry? Know what you did, gotta die. You and that pussy nigga. Why y'all was smoking that ooh la la? Lazy blunts must be high. Getting head from a thick bitch while I drive going down 95. If I do my math right, then right after 68 gonna be 69. Let a nigga talk dumb shit, hit him with the 40 about 40 times. Is that Carolina Ken shit? Motherfucker, you sound surprised. Seeing me on the rise, seeing me till the day I die. Treat the beat like your girl treat my dick, I'm about to ride. Home plate, nigga, let him slide. Curveball, cutting all the ties. Cut the grass, no snakes alive. Chillin' on PJs, nigga, watch it fly. Gotta pay for the rest, nigga. Carolina Ken shit. Seeing me, nigga. Cash Mafia Entertainment, ho.